Nothing is more confusing than a TV that seems to be working and broken at the same time. Your TCL TV turns on, the power light is on, and you may even hear audio, but the screen stays completely black. Before you assume the TV is done for, there are a few reset methods you can try even without access to the menu. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do to get your TCL TV working again. And before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Before we start, keep in mind that a factory reset can erase saved apps, Wi-Fi details, accounts, and settings. So try the soft reset first. A soft reset is safe and does not remove your apps or settings. First, unplug the TV power cord from the wall outlet. Once it is unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV itself. On most TCL TVs, this button is under the TCL logo, on the bottom edge, or on the back panel. On some TCL Roku TV models, it may be tiny and located near the ports, so check carefully. Now press and hold the power button for about 60 seconds while the TV is still unplugged. Keep holding it the whole time because this helps drain leftover power from the TV. After 60 seconds, release the button, plug the power cord back into the wall outlet, and press the power button once to turn the TV on. Give it a moment and check if the screen comes back. If the screen is still black, check whether the picture is there but very dim. Turn the TV on, then shine a flashlight or your phone light close to the screen at an angle. Look carefully for faint images, movement, or menu text. If you can see a faint picture, the TV may have a backlight problem and resetting may not fix it. Quick note, I've added links to my recommended TV tools and accessories in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. If there is no faint image, try a hard reset using the TV's power button. This method works on some TCL Android or Google TV models, but not every TCL TV will show a recovery menu. Unplug the TV again, then press and hold the physical power button. While holding the button, plug the power cord back into the outlet. Keep holding the button and see if the TV enters recovery or reset mode. If the recovery menu appears and you can see it, use your remote to move through the options. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm it. Wait for the reset to finish. If you see Wipe Cache Partition, select that as well. After that, choose Reboot System Now. Do not unplug the TV during this process because the reset and restart can take a few minutes. If the screen stays completely black and you cannot see the recovery menu, skip that method and try the physical reset button instead. Look on the back or side of the TV for a small reset pinhole. Use a paper clip or pin to gently press the button inside the hole. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the reset begins. Then release it and let the TV restart. After the restart, the TV should return to the setup screen. If the display comes back, reconnect your Wi-Fi and apps. If the screen is still black, the problem is likely hardware-related, such as the backlight display panel or mainboard, and professional repair may be needed. That's it. Hopefully one of these reset methods gets your TCL TV working again. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. And if your TV still has a black screen, drop your model number in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.